Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Appwrite, build and manage backend APIs step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the Appwrite URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Appwrite website. Once the page loads, look for the Login button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the Login page. Here, you will need to enter your email address in the designated field. Next, type your password into the password field. After filling in your credentials, double-check them for accuracy. When you're ready, locate the Login button at the bottom of the form. Click on the Login button to submit your information. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the Appwrite dashboard. If you encounter an error message, review your email and password for any mistakes. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the user interface. You can now start building and managing your backend APIs with Appwrite. Consider checking the documentation for additional resources and features. You are now ready to leverage Appwrite for your backend development needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.